Good day and welcome to our Sage Learning Lab on the topic of accounting in the cloud made easy. I'm Orlando Hammonds. I'm Partner Account Manager for Sage Accountant Solutions. And I'm here with my colleague, Lisa Beaver, who's a subject matter expert on our Sage Cloud solutions. At this point, she's going to be demonstrating our Sage Business Cloud accounting and providing some very valuable information. Lisa?
Thank you, Orlando, and thank you all for joining us today. We're going to take a quick look at some of the features of Sage Business Cloud Accounting. It is a native cloud solution, so nothing you need to install. It's going to work on all of your different devices, including if you're using a Mac. We have great mobile apps, so you can have all of that functionality in the palm of your hand as well. You and your clients can be using the solution at the same time, not a problem at all. And it does come with unlimited users with customizable permissions, so we don't charge you for additional users in the program. And this is showing you what the mobile app would look like. So if you're out there taking pictures of receipts, pushing those into the program, maybe you want to do a quote or an invoice for a customer, you can be in front of them and do that and even take the payment. So it really allows you to be able to work when and where you need to work. Now, some of the key features, you can do cash or accrual. You can also do multi-currency with live exchange rates. You can print your checks. We have interactive dashboards in the program, so you can see how the business is trending. As far as banking, you can import your bank and credit card statements. And then once you get, if you need to catch it up to like the first of the year, you're able to go in here, connect to those bank and credit card feeds. And that's it. On a daily basis, it's going to automatically start importing those transactions for you. It's going to go in here and allow you to quickly populate these accounts. You can set up bank rules. It's going to save you even more time. If you're doing sales and invoicing, you're able to go in here and create a quote or an estimate. In one click, turn it into an invoice. You can email that invoice off to your customer who can open it up and pay it right online. So great automation there. You've got recurring invoices. You can even see the timeline, so you know when your customer has opened that invoice or paid it. You can import a lot of your transactional data, your customers, vendors, chart of accounts, all of that good stuff to get the account started, making it very easy to get that information into the program. If the customers or clients are going to be in here working, you can also do auto correction. So if they make some mistakes, not a problem. You can go in there and correct those type of transactions. Also, reporting, so important for our business, is running those reports, having a good audit trail to be able to see what our clients are doing in the program. And we also have a custom report builder that allows you to import reports or custom create reports. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at what the bank feeds would look like with bank rules. So here is a bank feed. And what you can see here is that it's going to automatically remember how you categorize your transactions and categorize them for you. If you're using the solution to do invoices or expenses, it's going to see those transactions and match them up to your bank feeds. Also, you're able to go in here and set up those bank rules. Now, bank rules are for transactions that are recurring. That's always going to be tied to the same account. So you go in here, you quickly create a rule, and you'll notice up here at the top, I have 142 transaction where those bank rules are applied. And in one click over here, I can create all 142 of those transactions. So think about month over month, how much time this is going to save you with all of your different accounts. So that's the power of those bank feeds with bank rules. Now, here's a cash flow statement and cash flow forecast report. We have several dashboards available for you. You have a sales dashboard, expenses dashboard, and they're interactive graphs. Also, cash flow, so important for the small businesses that this program was designed for. How is the cash flow trending, right? And it's going to look pretty much like this, except this one is a cash flow forecast. And what it allows you to do is adjust money in or out of the account. So you can run those what if scenarios and see how it's going to affect that bottom line. So that's a really nice report as well. Now, this is one of our just standard reports. It's a profit and loss. I can go in here and choose my different time, date ranges or time periods. I can also go in here and customize this report. If you're using classes or dimensional accounting, we have that as well. I could go in here and run this over all of my projects or break it down by individual project. So that's really nice. You can do comparisons. So if you wanted to compare your different periods, it's going to show you over here at the right-hand side what the difference is between those different months or years as well. And you have full drill down capabilities from these reports, right down into the transactional data. Now, this is the audit trail. So if you have clients using the product, you really need this audit trail. And what's really nice about this is you're also able to go in here and break it down by transaction type. So here I thought my client made a mistake with a vendor payment. I can go in here and choose the period and the type and see all of those vendor payments for that period. Who created it? What account it hit? Was it a debit or credit? Whether they deleted it? And again, if I thought an error was made, I just click on it and I'm right in the transaction to view it even further. And remember that custom report builder I was talking about? This is where you can go in here and see all of these different custom reports. They're nice, colorful reports for your clients. They can see their gross profit percentage, their net profit, a breakdown of their profit and loss. You have your profit and loss overheads and also a balance sheet just included in this one singular report. The balance sheet even breaks it down into your current ratios, debt to equity ratio. So some really nice reports. You can import reports. So if there's reports you're already using that you really love, you can import them in here. It's got a custom report builder for you. So some really nice reporting here.
Oh, Lisa, can you talk more about what other tools integrate with Sage Business Cloud Accounting to create additional efficiencies? For instance, I often talk with accountants that indicate that they're doing a lot of manual data entry from receipts from bank statements provided by their small clients, especially in instances where they're doing catch-up accounting, which is very prominent right now. Can you talk a bit about that?
Yes, and you're right. That is something that we hear all the time. Sure. So auto entry is another cloud solution. It is basically a data capture app that quickly rebuilds your client's account. So exactly what you were saying, if you have clients' accounts you need to rebuild, maybe you're taking on new clients and they come in with this bag full of receipts for you, right? So this gives you the ability to not have to manually type in all of that data. It's going to save you a lot of hours updating the client's books. It also eliminates manual errors, right? Because your eyes start to get crossed by the time you're doing so much manual data entry. And it increases your efficiency across your practice, which is really important. Now, auto entry, how it works. So let's say that you did take on that new client or you're doing a rebuild and all you have is paper, right? So if you had a paper bank statement, you can basically scan that paper bank statement into auto entry. It puts it into a digital format and then you pick your accounting package because this is product agnostic. So if I'm using QuickBooks or Xero or Sage, I just pick my accounting package and it puts it into my accounting package for me. So no more hand keying that data into the solution. Now, it doesn't just do bank statements. It also does your receipts, your sales invoices, your expense reports, supplier statements. It also does line item capture. So that's really important for some industries. You want to know which line item is on that statement, right? So you can turn on line item capture and it's gonna capture every one of those line items for you. It also remembers how you're coding your transactions, just like the bank feeds that we talked about earlier. And it's going to auto code those recurring transactions for you. You can memorize them. On your dashboard, you can have all of your different companies, and you can give access to your clients so they can put the information in there for you if you want them to. Now, like this Colleen says here, inefficiency is huge in the accounting industry, and we're all tired of dealing with those bags of receipts. And, we really need to work smarter and not harder. And auto entry, if you have a lot of manual data entry, is going to solve that problem for you. It's a really great solution.
Excellent, excellent. So as you can see from the information that Lisa's provided, between Sage Business Cloud Accounting and Auto Entry, Sage has solutions that can most definitely help you create operational efficiencies, eliminate or minimize human interaction, eliminate human errors with data entry, and free up your time to focus on more profitable activities. Lisa, thank you so much. This is some great information. What additional resources do we have available?
Sure. So we have not only these solutions, but we have a host of solutions for you, from your smallest clients all the way up to your ERP solutions. I won't go over all of these, but you can definitely take a look at these. Go to our sage.com website and you'll see all of our different solutions and their functionality. We have solutions for small, medium business. We have cloud solutions, desktop solutions, Sage Intacct. So we have a solution that's going to meet your needs for sure. And in these solutions, you're also going to be able to get the assistance that you need. So we have a live chat that's available Monday through Friday from 9 to 8 Eastern time. In the solution, you'll find the little question marks and little pop-ups that's going to give you step-by-step instructions on how to complete tasks, making it very easy to start learning how to use the program. At sage.com in our marketplace, if you're wondering about third-party integrations, that's going to list all of our third-party integrations for all of our different solutions. We have a YouTube channel, Sage YouTube channel. It's going to show you all the different quick videos on how to do different things in our different solutions. We have a Sage University training classes for you, where you can go in here and take training on any of our different solutions. You can become certified advisors in here for different solutions. And then, of course, we have our Facebook group. So we would love for you to go out there, join our Sage Accountants Facebook group, and definitely, stay in contact with us. We'd love to help you out with any of your different needs.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Lisa. That's definitely valuable information. And thank you again for taking time to sit in on our Learning Lab. Once again, my name is Orlando Hammonds. I'm Partner Account Manager for Sage Accountant Solutions. If you have any questions about this or any other Sage solutions, feel free to reach out to me at the information on your screen. You can either call me between the hours of 8:30 and 6:30 Eastern, or email me. I'd be happy to assist you or help arrange for a personalized one-on-one demo of any of our Sage solutions. Thank you once again. Enjoy the rest of the conference and have a great day.